Feeling lost on how to start your fitness journey at home? Imagine transforming your body without any fancy equipment, expensive gym memberships, or even leaving your living room. In today's video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step beginner-friendly home workout routine that is easy to follow and delivers powerful results. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll have a complete roadmap to kickstart your fitness journey from the comfort of your home. Section 1. Why home workouts are perfect for beginners. What if I told you that you don't need fancy equipment to build the body you've always wanted? Let's be honest. Gyms can be intimidating. The loud music, the heavy weights, and the overwhelming options can make anyone feel out of place, especially if you're just starting. But guess what? You don't need any of that to achieve your goals. Home workouts are perfect for beginners because they're flexible, affordable, and, most importantly, non-intimidating. At home, you control the environment. No judgment, no distractions, just you and your goals. And the best part? You can squeeze in a workout anytime, whether it's a quick 15-minute session before work or a longer routine on the weekend. Section 2. The science of starting small. The number one mistake beginners make? Trying to do too much, too fast. Here's a secret most people don't realize. Fitness isn't about doing 100 burpees on day one. It's about consistency. Starting small allows your body to adapt, prevents injuries, and sets you up for long-term success. Think of it like building a house. Your foundation has to be strong before you can add the fancy stuff on top. In this routine, we'll focus on bodyweight exercises and low-impact moves that are beginner-friendly but still effective. Trust me, these small steps will lead to big changes over time. Section 3. The ultimate beginner-friendly home workout routine. Ready to transform your living room into your personal gym? Let's do this. Now, let's dive into the ultimate home workout routine. All you need is a yoga mat, a water bottle, and your determination. We'll break this into 3 parts: warm up, main workout, and cool down. Part 1. Warm up, 5 minutes. First, we'll warm up. A good warm-up prepares your muscles, improves blood flow, and reduces the risk of injury. Follow along with these simple moves. March in place, 1 minute. Keep your knees high and swing your arms. This gets your heart rate up. Extend your arms and make small circles, gradually increasing the size. Reverse after 30 seconds. Hold onto a chair for balance and gently swing your leg forward and backward. Part 2. Main workout, 20 minutes. Now, for the main event. We'll target your whole body with these 7 beginner-friendly moves. Perform each exercise for 30 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. Complete 3 rounds. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower your hips as if sitting in a chair. Keep your back straight. This strengthens your legs and core. Push-ups. Start on your knees if regular push-ups are too challenging. Push-ups are amazing for your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Hold a straight line from your shoulders to your ankles. Focus on engaging your core. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Stand tall and lift one leg to the side. Switch legs after 15 seconds. This strengthens your hips and improves balance. Mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and alternate driving your knees towards your chest. Go at your own pace. Cool down stretch. We'll save this for the end to help your body recover. Part 3. Cool down, 5 minutes. Never skip the cool down. It's your secret weapon for faster recovery. Cooling down helps reduce soreness and brings your heart rate back to normal. Try these stretches. Sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and relax. Sit on the floor, extend one leg, and reach for your toes. Clasp your hands behind your back and lift them slightly while opening your chest. Section 4. Staying motivated and tracking progress. Here's how to stay consistent and never lose motivation. Let's talk motivation. The first few weeks are the hardest, but tracking your progress can keep you going. Use a fitness journal or an app to log your workouts. Celebrate small wins, like completing a week without skipping a session or holding your plank for a few extra seconds. And remember, it's okay to have off days. What matters is showing up more often than not. You've got this. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these beginner mistakes to save yourself time and frustration. Before we wrap up, let's cover some common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Never skip these. They're essential for preventing injuries and improving recovery. It's tempting to push yourself, but overdoing it can lead to burnout or injury. Start slow and build gradually. Proper form is key. Watch yourself in a mirror or record your workouts to ensure you're moving correctly. Fitness is a journey, not a sprint. Focus on progress, not perfection. There you have it, an easy, effective, and beginner-friendly home workout routine that fits into your busy life. Remember, the hardest part is starting. Once you begin, you'll realize just how capable you are. So, grab your mat, hit play on this video, and let's make today the first step in your fitness journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's ready to start their fitness journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly fitness tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.